In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off social sharing on your Typeform thank you screen. If you want a cleaner finish to your form and prefer not to prompt respondents to share it on social networks, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. Start by opening your web browser on your PC. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work well. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter to head to the site. Once you arrive, go ahead and log into your account. Use your usual credentials, and if you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one that holds the form you want to adjust. From your dashboard, open the form you want to edit. You'll be taken into the form editor, which is where we'll make the change. We're going straight to the end of the experience, so look for the section labeled Thank You Screen or Ending. Depending on your version of the editor, this might appear as Ending, Endings, or Thank You Screen. Click it to open the final screen settings for that form. With the ending screen selected, turn your attention to the right-hand side of the editor. You should see a settings panel for the ending. In that panel, look for the option labeled Social Share Icons or Social Sharing. This is the setting that controls whether the social share buttons appear after someone submits your form. When it's on, respondents will see options to share the form on platforms like X or Facebook. To remove those buttons, toggle social sharing to the off position. That's it. Once you switch the toggle off, the social share buttons will no longer appear after form submission. This keeps the experience focused on your confirmation message or any next steps you've provided, and it can reduce distractions or unintended sharing if that's not part of your workflow. If you don't immediately see the social sharing option, double check that you've selected the ending screen rather than a question in the form. The setting only appears when you're editing the final screen. You can also expand the right-hand settings panel if it's collapsed or zoom out slightly in your browser to reveal hidden options. To recap, open your browser, go to typeform.com, log in, open your form, select the thank you screen or ending, find social share icons on the right, and toggle social sharing off. With that change in place, your form will finish cleanly without offering social share buttons after submission.